If your iPhone is heating up more than usual, don't panic. I'll show you some easy ways to fix it. First, close unused apps running in the background. Swipe up from the bottom and swipe over any apps you're not using. Too many background apps can cause your iPhone to overheat. Next, avoid charging while using the phone. Using your phone while charging, especially for gaming or video streaming, can make it heat up quickly. Let it charge undisturbed. After that, turn off background app refresh. For that, go to settings, then tap on general and scroll down and tap on background app refresh. And either turn it off entirely or for apps you don't need updating in the background. After that, disable location service for unnecessary apps. For that, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down, then tap on privacy and security. After that, tap on location services and disable it for apps that don't need it running constantly. Also, box in older versions can cause overheating. So, check for any updates available and install it. And sometimes a quick restart is all it takes to stop background tasks that are heating up your phone. And if your phone still overheats after trying all of this, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, visit an Apple store or authorized service center. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.